Okay guys, big news for pickup lovers. Toyota has finally dropped the first official teaser for the all-new next-generation Hilux. And surprise, surprise, it's no longer called Hilux Revo in Thailand. This time it's got a brand new name, Hilux Travo. Yes, Travo, sounds like travel can. Perfect name for a pickup that goes everywhere except your parking lot. So let's talk design. From the teaser, the front end looks completely new. You get slimmer LED headlights with a cool J-shaped daytime running light, plus that bold Toyota lettering right across the grille, macam Ford Raptor style, but Japanese version la. Even the bonnet got muscle now, with a deeper sculpted line down the middle, making the front look like it's flexing before off-roading. At the back, goodbye to the old number 3 style tail lamps. The new Hilux Travo now rocks a C-shaped LED tail light, and you'll see Toyota proudly stamped on the tailgate. Even the handle and third brake light design, all new. The wheels also get a fresh design, giving the truck that ready-to-go mudding look. Now, according to Toyota Thailand, the Hilux Travo still sits on an upgraded IMV platform, same one that's been used since the 7th gen, but now more refined and tougher. From the side profile, the cabin still looks familiar, and so don't worry, it's still that reliable workhorse. Just with more muscles and better looks la. Inside, based on leaked patents and spy photos, the new dashboard design is more angular, more rugged, and looks built to survive anything, from off-road dirt to your Kopi Tumpa. We're expecting a digital instrument cluster, more storage space, and a cleaner, tougher look overall. Typical Toyota practicality. Power-wise, Toyota keeps it classic. You'll still get the 2.4L and 2.8L turbo diesel engines paired with either manual or auto gearbox, and you can choose between rear wheel or 4WD. But here's the exciting part. The Thailand version is rumored to get a 48V mild hybrid system, which means better fuel efficiency and smoother performance. And Toyota also teased a fully electric Hilux might be coming later. Imagine that. Silent Hilux that can still tow your boat. So mark your calendars. November 10th, the official debut of the all-new Hilux Travo in Thailand. New name, new face, new tech, but same legendary toughness. Question is, when it comes to Malaysia, will it keep the Travo name or stay as Hilux Revo? And will the price also travel upwards? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more upcoming car news. And remember, if it's a Hilux, it's built to Travo anywhere.